Welcome back to the channel. A question that I get asked a lot regarding affiliate marketing is, can I start affiliate marketing for free? I'm going to show you real results. My first year where I transitioned from being a corporate director, working a regular 9-to-5 job during the pandemic. I decided and made that leap in October of 2020 when things started getting more crazy. People were actually starting to get laid off and losing their jobs, especially in the United States. And I actually made that decision to leave my corporate director job where I was making pretty good money and pursue my dreams of doing affiliate marketing full time. This is particularly talking about how I got started for free and how you can too. Now, that's not to say that you aren't going to have to invest in your business to help it grow faster. You're going to probably need some software and some tools along the way, maybe some paid ads at some point. But the question at hand is, can you start affiliate marketing with zero money? The truth is, it's absolutely possible because that's how I got my start. Right off the bat, what do you need to make sales? You need a product that you can be an affiliate for. And then you need to get in front of a market audience, right? And you can do that with free traffic, social media, YouTube, website. And then when people go and will see your content, watch your videos, and you bring value to them, getting a YouTube account is free for everyone, right? Your video hosting is free because you're uploading on YouTube. You can use OBS, which is a free software that allows you to record your screen. So really, at the end of the day, you do need a microphone. You can get a $15 to $20 microphone at Walmart or on Amazon. Then you're going to need a computer, PC, Mac of some sort. But let's just pretend you have that stuff. Most people have that out of the way. It's going to be difficult if you don't have a smartphone or a laptop or computer because you won't be able to connect to the internet and actually create accounts, create content, and potentially get traffic. So I'm leaving those parts out because most people that are thinking about affiliate marketing probably have a smartphone, probably have a computer. If you have those things out of the way, and most people have a basic microphone, and most people's laptops have a microphone built in, there's no excuse to get started. You absolutely can get started. Once you have those things, it technically is free. Do you need a website? Do you need hosting? Do you need software that will allow you to make money online and be an affiliate? And the answer is absolutely no, you don't need those things. You absolutely can get started for free. What I want to talk about is my free start to my $500,000 journey. And what I want to show you is just proof right here. I'm going to log into my accounting software and you can see my accounting software right here. And what I did was I dated this back to October 1st of 2020. I had been working on my business a little before that, like probably 10 months before. I started making about $2,000 a month. And that's when I decided, my wife and I decided that you've been making $2,000 per month for the last 6 months. It's consistent, it's stable. This is your dream. You want to leave your day job and pursue this online business and affiliate marketing full time. Let's take the leap together. Let's do this. And so we did that. And then over the next year, of course, I went from like $80,000, $90,000 per year, and I did take a pay cut over that next year, but we made basically $48,000 in that first year. And this is my accounting software. The next year we ended up making like $160,000. It might have been the next year I made like $80,000, and then after that I made $160,000. So my income doubled each year. And this is just to show you that very first. I really wanted to show you this because this was the very first year that I completely left my job and worked full-time. I made a $50,000 salary, which most people out of college don't even make that. And so we were able to make a solid income, and then we were able to build on that year over year in my business. And since I hit that $100,000 mark, I've never looked back. I've never made less than 6 figures each year. So I want to show you how this actually works, right? I literally started with $0, no website, no email list, just YouTube and social media, mostly YouTube. I don't really focus on Twitter, Instagram, or Pinterest, or anything like that. I literally built my empire on YouTube with making videos and free organic traffic, okay? So my first year, like I just showed you, I made $48,000 using only free platforms like YouTube. The key was consistency, right? right? This is where everyone gets this wrong. There's so much noise out there from other YouTube gurus, affiliate marketers, and so forth that say you don't have to work hard. You don't have to work even 30 minutes a day. There's push button methods and so forth, and you can make $1 million. So if you're not making $1 million and you're working more than X amount per day, then something's wrong with you. That's just not the way that I was raised. That's not what I believe. I do believe in working smarter, not harder. This job has afforded me so many cool things where I can just record a video, promote a product that just launched, and make like $7,000 from less than an hour of work. Those are the things that are possible once you build an audience. But I want you to get your expectations right from the get-go and be realistic. You are going to have to be consistent. So you need to come up with a YouTube content strategy and schedule. If you can only do 1 video per week, then stick to that. Just know that the more videos you create, from my experience, the more results you're going to get. From my experience in the way that I teach YouTube, it's more of a quantity game and not just a quality game. You don't have to spend a month or 2 creating 1 video and then you publish it, or you spent $500 on the video and then it's crickets. It actually didn't perform well. You missed the mark and you only got 100 views or something like that. What I would rather do is put out a video, even similar to what I'm doing right now. No high production value. I'm not hiring a video editor or anything. I'm doing it all myself, getting out a message that's important to people, and I have the proof of earnings that this stuff works. I want to teach things of value, and I don't need fancy video editing and all that to achieve that. When you realize that, you can pump out a lot more content, reach a larger audience, and with a simple video like this, I have a chance to get 100 to 1,000, maybe even 1,000 or 2,000 views on the video, which is good enough to reach the audience that I'm looking for. I don't have to go after 100,000 views each time and put a lot of risk in the time and money investment into making the videos great. That's where the consistency comes in. I focused on one platform, and that was YouTube, and created helpful content daily. I recommend 3 to 5 videos per week if you want to see real results and growth fast within your first 90 days. You can actually start making money with affiliate marketing with free traffic on YouTube. If you stick to that plan, create at least 3 videos a week and do it for 90 days, you're going to have between 20 and 60 videos out, and you're going to actually start moving the needle in your business and getting customers and sales. The only free traffic method you need is YouTube. YouTube is very powerful. Video resonates more with people. You have more of a chance of building a connection and relationship over video. Some stranger that finds your video, they are more likely to watch, and then if they got value from it, they liked what you said, they're more likely to click on your next video, binge a couple of videos, and then, hey, that's all they need. They can actually go maybe buy your product or that you're recommending as an affiliate, or buy your course. Video is extremely powerful than randomly showing up on somebody's website that you have no idea what the website is, you have no idea what the person is, and you find yourself glancing through an article. People prefer video content more as well. I don't know what the statistic is, like 30 to 50% of people are watching YouTube videos on their smart televisions now as well. So you have a chance to reach people's living room during prime time, during the week. People are watching YouTube like they used to watch movies and TV shows. So it's very powerful. Don't sleep on this. What I wish I knew when I started with the free methods. So how this works, mindset shift. Free means you pay with time and effort instead of money. You absolutely can start your affiliate marketing business for free with sites like OBS, where you can record your screen for free. YouTube is the free platform that you're going to upload your video to get traffic and build an audience. It doesn't cost money to be an affiliate for any program. You just need to meet some qualifications for some of them, or you can buy a product like on Warrior Plus, and then they usually will automatically approve you as an affiliate. So there's all kinds of cool things that we can do from free. And it is a simple strategy, but it doesn't mean that it's easy. And that's where people get this wrong. A lot of people and students that I've had over the years, unfortunately, give up way too early. They create 5 videos, it drained them. They end up saying, oh, this didn't work. I got 12 views, I have no money, no sales, I'm done. That's where there's room for you and I. The people that will stand the test of time, be consistent, have the right mindset, and be realistic in this business, that you do need to stick with it. You need to be creating high quality videos and content consistently, even if you're not making money. As you go through those steps, you form that habit and continue on your journey. Once you have 10, 20, 30, 50, your first 100, we will need to reach 100 videos before you can start throwing in the towel. And most people throw in the towel between 5 and 20 videos, in my experience. It is sad to watch because they're missing the point that this is not something that you can just put out 5 videos and start making $1,000 a month. It just doesn't work like that, right? You need to get your mindset straight when you're building a business like this, and then it can be extremely powerful once you go through the grind that everybody's going to have to go through in order to build that credibility, that authority, and that audience on YouTube. And then the 90-day rule, I've mentioned this already. It took me about 90 days to see the real results, but once it clicked, the income accelerated fast. On my journey, I created this channel. It used to be called Teach Me Money Methods, right? Back in 2019, I started the channel, and for that year until 2020, when I quit my job, I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers. My channel wasn't monetized or anything like that, and I was able to create a course with that small audience when my videos were only getting like 100, 200 views per video. I was able to create a course and make $13,000 within that first 6 months. So between the 90 and 100 day mark, 3 months to 6 months, if you give this a real go and start getting about 100 views per video, you can actually create your own product or sell an affiliate marketing product, course, or software. And that's when you can actually start making money. And you can do it much faster than I did. I have students that started their second and third YouTube channels. The first one, they grinded it out. They didn't get the results they were looking for. But then when they got more niche specific in a very trending niche, and they started creating content on that, within the first month, they already had contracts and sponsorships. So that's how fast it can happen if you just take action and stay consistent, okay? So the biggest mistake, I tried to promote everything instead of focusing on products I actually used and believed in. So that's very important. Like, you want to be using some of these tools or softwares. You can get free access to most tools and so forth. Or if you purchased a course in the past and they have an affiliate program, make sure that you actually know the product, because you're not going to be able to come off as authentic and genuine with what you're trying to promote, whether it's your own product or an affiliate product, if you're not putting that to use yourself. If you don't know the tool yourself, chances are if you have the premium tool and you're paying $10, $20 a month for a tool, and then you go out and make a bunch of videos about it saying why you like the tool, showing tutorials and so forth, people are going to be like, okay, well, David has a paid account and he's making all this content and he loves the tool. Like, okay, I'm going to give it a shot. And he's been helpful in all these tutorials and videos. So I'm going to click on his link intentionally and give him that commission. That is the power of affiliate marketing and building a real audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. Very important. So I recommend in the beginning, either creating your own course or promoting 1 to 3 major affiliate products that you really stand by. And then you can hone in and create content just for those. And so it also cuts down on the overwhelm of there's 100 products out there. You get to build your niche specific audience around one tool, 1, 2, or 3 tools, if that makes sense. So the success formula is pick one traffic method, one niche, promote 2 to 3 products at max, and be genuinely helpful. And remember, be consistent. If you can be consistent in this business, you're going to win and beat out 90+%, probably 95% of competitors that are trying to do this, that are going to give up way too soon. Now, if you'd like to get started right away, you want to get on live Zoom calls with me, you want a classroom with all the courses, me showing you how to create your first content plan so you know exactly what to record videos on. If you want me to show you from 0 subscribers, I create a channel right in front of you and show you how you can actually do this and create your first 20, 30 videos, get your first 1,000 subscribers. We have our live Zoom trainings right over here. For the last 2 years, we have all of the trainings right here, answering any questions that you have, all my experience, all my Warrior Plus experience, all my YouTube experience, all that good stuff. You get all of that in here. We have leaderboards right over here. A real valuable community that wants to help each other out. We have success stories. We have people getting like Bettina right here. She just got approved as a Canva affiliate right here, sharing it with the team as well. I'd love to have you in here because if you click on the first link below, you'll see the About page. This is a 6-Figure Freedom Club. We have all the proof in the world that I'm qualified to teach you in many different realms and niches, like making money on YouTube, monetization. I've made thousands of dollars, Warrior Plus, Impact, Radius, selling my own courses. I've made $100,000 doing that. We have all kinds of good stuff in here. Testimonies right here as well of people that have gotten results that have joined the Six Figure Freedom Club. You can see all the stuff you get here, and just keep in mind that it's $27 right now, but I'm thinking of raising the price to $67 or even $97 per month because I want to work with people that want to invest in themselves. And studies show the less you pay for a product, the less you take it serious, and we just know that. So the price is going to be increasing. I'd love to get to 100 members, and then I'll raise the price after that. So make sure that you get in before that 100 member mark. I appreciate your time. If you got value from this, hit that like button and make sure to visit the Six Figure Freedom Club below. I'd love to have you as our next member. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.